Hey everyone, welcome to Health Prudent. We're back with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Today, we're going to talk about 10 foods to whiten your teeth naturally at home. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover in detail why you should include certain foods in your regular diet and how effectively they contribute to whitening your teeth naturally at home. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. We all know that consuming healthy foods plays a significant role in keeping our body healthy. And keeping your teeth healthy is essential, just like you're the health of your body, right? And while people want to keep their teeth healthy, they're also looking for different ways to whiten them. If you do not prefer whitening treatments and wish to whiten your teeth through natural remedies, this video is for you. The foods you consume impact how healthy your smile is, right? Your dentist might have told you that drinking wine, coffee, or tea, or smoking can cause yellowing of your teeth. But did you know that several natural foods can whiten your teeth? We'll tell you the 10 foods that will help you whiten your teeth naturally at home. Number 1. Oil. Using oil to whiten your teeth does not mean that you will have to drink it or use it for cooking. Instead, you will gargle oil such as virgin coconut oil or sesame oil to brighten your smile. Interesting, right? Well, you need to swish the oil around inside your mouth for around 15 minutes and then spit it out. When this substance is vigorously pulled back and forth in your mouth and between your teeth, your mucous membranes will absorb nutrients from the healthy oils. Iron, calcium, vitamins A, E, and B, and omega-3 fatty acids found in sesame oil and antibacterial properties of virgin coconut oil will promote cavity-free teeth and healthier gums. Number 2. Carrots. Due to the vitamin A found in this, carrots can help you strengthen your tooth enamel. Moreover, chewing carrots will increase the amount of saliva in your mouth to clean it. Number 3. Strawberries. The red color of this delicious fruit might fool you, but let us tell you that strawberries contain malic acid, a natural astringent, which will remove the surface discoloration of your teeth. This fruit contains vitamin C, which helps in improving plaque, and malic acid is usually used in most commercially available tooth whitening products, such as toothpaste. You can eat them in cereal, salads, desserts, or even mash up a strawberry and put it on your toothbrush. So don't forget to add strawberries to your basket during your trip to the supermarket. Number 4. Broccoli. Instead of cooking this vegetable, eat the crunchy florets of broccoli raw, and you will notice your teeth are becoming healthy. While chewing broccoli, the nutritional florets of the vegetable will work like a toothbrush and clean your mouth naturally. Moreover, the high iron levels of this veggie will coat your teeth enamel while also removing things such as stains, acid erosion, and harmful bacteria. Chewing it will also stimulate the production of saliva, which will wash away any plaque. Number 5. Pineapple. You can make your teeth appear whiter by consuming pineapples, since they contain an enzyme known as bromelain, which will remove stains. Moreover, eating it will prevent the formation of cavities as well as tooth erosion. Number 6. Seeds and nuts. Consuming seeds and nuts in your daily diet offers several health benefits, and one such advantage is that they will help you to achieve a healthy smile. They work as teeth exfoliants and also buff away discoloration, which makes the surface of your teeth appear whiter. You can also try stripping stains from your teeth enamel with the abrasive texture of sesame seeds, almonds, cashews, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. For scrubbing plaque off your teeth, try consuming sesame seeds. Moreover, seeds and nuts also contain calcium that will strengthen your teeth as well as bones. Number 7. Apples. Another delicious fruit that can strengthen your teeth and make them appear whiter. Since apples are crunchy, they work as a natural abrasive scrub, cleaning your teeth while you eat an apple. Moreover, they also contain malic acid, which promotes extra saliva, helping to clean your teeth and prevent tooth stains. Number 8. Oranges. While this fruit is acidic, the peel of an orange contains vitamin C variants that can whiten your teeth. You don't need to chew the fruit's peel. You only have to wash it thoroughly and rub the inner part across the surface of your teeth. It will minimize plaque while also helping to reduce the tartar buildup. Number 9. Water. While we do not recommend that you drink water right after eating, we indeed say that you should swish some water in your mouth if you want to maintain a whiter and healthier smile. Doing this will prevent tooth stains as well as lower the acidity level of your mouth while also reducing the chances of damaging tooth enamel. Number 10. Celery. And just like apples, it's also a crunchy food that promotes the production of saliva in your mouth, which will prevent plaque stains from developing. Moreover, the fibrous cellulose of celery will act as a natural toothbrush. Let's summarize what we have seen in this video so far. All the 10 foods we have discussed today contribute significantly to whiten your teeth. If you manage to keep them all in your diet, they will minimize plaque, reduce tartar buildup, prevent tooth stain, strengthen your teeth enamel, and clean your teeth. In turn, they will help you have a healthy smile. Also remember, while eating these foods will help you to whiten your teeth, you should also avoid those foods that stain your teeth, such as tomato sauce, blueberries, tea, soda, and white wine. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this helps you a ton. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more videos of health, wellness, health tips, homemade remedies, nutrition, healthy eating, and much more. And I'll see you soon with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Until then, stay healthier.